Here it is, the Sparkrite Voyager Drive Computer from about 1981. There's the comprehensive paperwork, setting up instructions. Let's have a look at the unit. There we go, look at that. That's like something from Knight Rider or Street Hawk. I've obviously connected it up to the battery. It connects to 12 volt live and ignition. I've done it rather crudely, but I have got a fuse in line. Okay, it works off various sensors. There's an ice warning sensor, which has a little sensor there. I'm going to test that by just pressing this button. That works. I will be trying to put the sensor in those ice blocks in a moment. Other sensors are a magnetic pickup, which then has two magnets which would be fitted on the prop shaft of a 1981 rear-wheel drive car, or could go on the drive shaft of a front-wheel drive car like a Mini or a Mark III Escort perhaps. I fitted them to a food mixer just for fun. The other sensor would be for fuel, which is this one here, not connected. Would only work on a carburetor car, not fuel injection, as the pressure would be too high. And that measures the flow of the petrol so the computer can work out distance and economy. Right, let's have a play. Right, so distance I've done 14.3 miles. That's taken 17 minutes. Average speed 49.3. Now I've just buried the ice sensor between those two ice blocks, so we'll see if that chills down and makes it think it's in icy conditions. Speed now is reading 0, so we're going to have a go with the mixer. Done 83 miles an hour, 64. We've done the ton. Oh. Oh, that's better. Right, is the ice warning going to go off? Come on, chill down. Just try some other little functions. So we're on 19 minutes. Average speed 46.6 again. Distance 14.9. Speed now is 0. Fuel will be nothing because it's not connected. Still no joy from the ice warning. It has worked. Come on. While we're waiting for that, you can see it's connected by this wonderful, colourful Apple II computer type ribbon. Some of the books. Nice kind of hand typed information. Addendum, as the plug could be put in the wrong way around and completely ruin the unit. It doesn't seem to be worried about the ice. Come on.